Alright, so this is Route 10. Right out here in front of my driveway. Filming some of this construction, destruction, whatever. This is what they just did today with the road reclaimer. They done milled the shit out of this. Looks like a motocross track all the way up. Oh, yeah. Have the bridge. I don't know if you guys can see that bridge down there. Looks like they got the bridge just about ready to roll. But it's totally a war zone out here. Trap rocks the size of small potatoes. That's real nice for your tires. And yeah, that's about it. This guy's gonna haul into it.